My name is Ryan Swantek and I am a member of the Tri-State Manufacturers Careers Dream Team. I'm a senior machinist at ITW Heartland.
I graduated from Fergus Falls High School, where I was introduced to a lot of different careers, ranging from automotive technician to accountant. At Career Expo, I had the opportunity to talk to employees of West Tool and Design, which really sparked my interest in machining. I decided to go to Alexandria Technical and Community College, where I earned a 2-year degree in machine tool technology. After tech school, I went to work at ITW Heartland, and I'm still there doing a career that I am successful in.